Nano Babo Abalen, welcome to Wherein Pampanga. Today, I think we're gonna be having a lot of fun.
A lot of fun!
And guys, we wanna show you more about this place. Samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! Where is this? This is going... So, and guys, isa to sa mga kwarto na pwede natin pagtulugan dito. If you notice, meron tayong dalawang double-deck beds. 8 people who can sleep here. So, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath. Dito rin siya. There you go. Isa pa rin sa mga nakakatuwa na feature dito, guys, yung ceiling natin. Ayan. Nag-iiba-iba yung kulay. Ang laki ng bahay. Grabe.
Super. 30 now. 30 already.
How many rooms do we have, Ma?
5 po.
5 rooms. Wow! Bedroom din to, guys. Meron tayong dalawang queen size bed. Ayan. Toilet and bath dito.
Dad, look it up!
Here.
Look it up!
Oh nga eh. You like that, no? Ceiling, baby?
Yeah.
Ang galing, no? Nag-iiba yung color, no? So this is another room. Dito sa second level. And then another room. Dun sa katapat niya. Oh, okay. So this one is very similar dun sa bedroom natin dun sa baba. So going to another room, eto siya. Oh! Ito naman kamukhang kamukha niya yung katabi niya dito. So it can accommodate 4 person.
My ate said I can go do the bunk bed. That's my bed, but my bed is not down.
Okay. Bunk bed gusto daw niya dun. This is the 4th room. And then lastly, eto. Eto siya. Oh,
Yeah, the biggest.
Wow! So ito yung master's bedroom natin. Grabe naman. Ma'am, parang nasa Dubai.
Balcony.
You have a balcony.
Ayun,
And may view tayo ng Bundok Arayat dito. Yung second level ng events place natin or yung multifunction natin is this one. So meron siyang billiards, sun tables and chairs. Oh, you got a arcade. Oh. And then here is the parking area. Siguro like 4 maximum, no? Maximum 4. And then here's the place. So yan. What can you say, ma'am? Ang laki.
Tsaka excited. Excited tayong
Yes.
swim. Para i-try lahat ng
Let's go dan. Tignan naman natin yung swimming pool. Let's go. Ayun guys, so pagpasok natin dito sa main accommodation area, you're gonna be greeted with this very huge living space. One of the biggest siguro that we were able to see. So in here we have sofa. Kids are already enjoying our YouTube. Again, look at the ceiling. Wow, stand out.
There's 4 of them.
It's really stand out, guys. Ayan, no? Nag-iiba-iba yung color, di ba? So it adds entertainment. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa pool area. Yung pool natin has a size of, I think, small to medium. It has 2 sections. Now, this one, yung the bigger one, medyo malalim to. Later on, titignan natin kung gaano siya kalalim. And meron din siya mga floaty, and swan, and parang mga life saver, something like that. Ma, excited to swim?
Yes.
Are you excited to swim?
Yes.
Parang sarap, no? Although makulimlim, hindi ito yung parang araw na malamig, eh, no? Mainit pa rin.
Mainit pa rin.
So, sakto.
Ito yung pinaka magandang timing na mag-swimming.
There you go. Let's go swimming.
Swim.
Hi. Bye, Luis. So this is the last place I'm gonna be touring you. Ito yung second floor or second level ng ating events place sa baba. What do you have here? Tables and chairs for dining. Meron din tayong mga hanging chairs for chilling. billiards table. Ito siya. And then meron din tayong arcade. Ang galing. I'm gonna be utilizing this later, guys. Gagamitin natin to. And I think, yan, makakarami tayo ng table later. Of our stay, we're getting ready to leave. Ayan guys, sobrang nag-enjoy po kami sa higaan. Kagabi naman sobrang nag-enjoy kami dun sa swimming pool. Guys, we would like to thank Casa del Cato for inviting us and congratulations po. If you wanna know more about their rates, mga amenities, what you should know, go check out the fan page we're gonna be including. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.